Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to make oatmeal swallow. If you're interested, please continue watching. So to make our oatmeal fufu, we need oatmeal. Here I have the whole one. The first thing I'm going to do is to grind this oatmeal using a dry mill or a blender. If you have it in powder, you don't need to go through this process again. But if you have it in this form, you need to first of all grind it until it becomes very smooth, then set it aside. Oatmeal is not low carb. It is not a low carb diet, but it is healthier when compared with other things we use for swallow like yams, cassava. Oatmeal is healthier when compared with them. So if you want to eat healthier, you may choose to eat oatmeal swallow instead of pounded yam, semolina, and all whatnot. So the first thing you are going to do is to add water to a pot and bring it to a boil. Here, just to make the process faster, I already boiled water in a kettle and I just transferred it into the pot that I want to use. So once the water boils, just start adding in the oatmeal gradually and stir. So you need to stir vigorously so that it doesn't form lumps, okay? Then you just need to stop adding at this point. Don't add until it becomes too hard because you need it to be very liquid enough so that at the end you can achieve a very good texture that is not too hard. So when you get to this point, just stop adding the oatmeal flour and just continue stirring vigorously. Now, after stirring, add about 2 tablespoons of water and just try as much as possible to make the water to be under the fufu and not above it. Okay, just try and make the water to be under the fufu so that it will cook the fufu and prevent it from getting burnt. So just add about 2 tablespoons of water under the fufu, cover the pot and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, you also need to reduce your heat to the lowest so that this oatmeal swallow doesn't get burnt. So after 1 minute or 2 minutes, give it another good stir and your oatmeal fufu is ready. At this point, it might look as if it is too soft, but do not worry. Once it cools down, it is going to be just the right texture that you want it to be. If you make it to be hard at this point, when it gets cold, it's going to be like stone. You can't even swallow it. It is going to be too hard, too hard. So it is always good to make it to be very soft. Then once it cools down, the texture will just be the right thing you want. Now our oatmeal swallow is ready. You can enjoy this with any soup of your choice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.